Guys, quick update on the Rusty Barnacle on Integra Type R 98111. Did a couple of things here. Took out the intake manifold, took out the ABS, a lot of the hard lines in the front of the car, fuse boxes, engine wiring harness, brake booster, clutch, master cylinder, and a couple of parts in the front of the car as well. So pretty good update as far as getting the engine bay further stripped down. Ended up taking the motor out. I had not planned on necessarily taking the motor out yet, but I want to just deal with all the chassis, any issues, rust wise, etc. And it's just easier to do it without the engine in. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the motor out eventually after this. So I'll let you enjoy the video and look for more updates shortly. Hey guys, hope you enjoy watching the restoration of the Rusty Barnacle, Integra Type R 98111. Please subscribe and keep looking for updates. Thanks.